Hi, my name is Kainat and I am a computer science tutor with a master degree in psychology with computer science. I have 3 years of experience teaching students of all ages, helping them achieve their goals in programming, web development, and more. I specialize in teaching HTML, CSS, Python, C, C++, Java, and Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, and SharePoint. Whether you are a beginner or looking to advance your skill, then you are at right place. My teaching approach is interactive and practical. I break down concepts into simple steps and provide clear examples to ensure my students understand the material. I also make planning fun and engaging with hands-on projects. As a patient and friendly tutor, I focus on building your confidence in computer science. I will work with you to overcome challenges and make learning enjoyable. If you are ready to start your computer science journey or enhance your skills, book a lesson with me today. I look forward to helping you achieve your goals. Thank you.